Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today, the first Bitcoin ETF is trading, so I'm going to buy some while the getting's good. Opened at 40, and then it skyrocketed up. Make a small opening trade just to get in. And here we go. Alright, so I got filled. I'm in. Now you can see I have 100 shares long of this first Bitcoin ETF here in the US. So now I'm holding Bitcoin in my IRA account, traditional IRA. It's where I do a lot of my trading. So I have a pretty decent sum of money, and I can build my position here. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin in the future, going to 100,000. It's near the 61,000 point right now. And, it's got to break that 65,000 point, and then it's off to the races. Alright guys, so tell me what you guys think. Hopefully you guys are thinking about it or aware of it. If not, now you are. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.